The tradition of collecting Buddhist amulets is absolutely timeless. It's a practice that's packed with history and faith. But in our super fast-paced digital world, how does something so ancient survive? How does it thrive? And how do we bridge that gap between tradition and technology? Well, one answer might just be a new kind of digital marketplace. And that really leads to the big question for any modern collector, right? How can you find and rent authentic Buddhist amulets in the huge, sometimes confusing online world? You want the real deal, and you want it to be accessible. But where do you even start to look for these sacred objects with any kind of confidence?
Well, it turns out the answer for today's collector might just be a dedicated platform. And the one we're going to look at today is called Amulet BID.
Okay, so what is Amulet BID exactly? Well, think of it as a specialized online hub. It's operated by K2S Signature Company, and it's basically a central marketplace created just for auctioning and renting Buddhist amulets and other sacred objects. It's a really focused digital space for this very unique community. All right, so you're interested. How do you actually get started? The great news is they've made the process really straightforward. Your whole journey begins with just a few simple clicks. Okay, first things first, and this is super important. To really get in on the action, to see all the details, place bids, or rent items, you've got to become a member first. It's basically your key to unlock everything the site has to offer. And getting in is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously, it's that classic three-step approach. You register, you log in, and bam, you're ready to participate. They've kept it really simple. No complicated hoops to jump through, just direct access. Okay, so now you're in. What's next? Well, once you're on the platform, you've got two main ways to acquire an amulet. And this is really about choosing the path that fits your own personal style as a collector. Let's break down what those two options are. So on one hand, you've got the thrill of joining an auction. This is where you bid against other collectors in real time, watching that clock on each item count down. But if that's not your thing, there's direct renting. If you see an amulet you love in this section, you can rent it right away. No bidding, no waiting. So it's like, do you want the thrill of the chase, or do you just want to find what you love and get it plain and simple? And that real-time element is what makes the auctions so exciting. You can track your bid status constantly, so you know in an instant if you're still the winning bidder or if someone just snuck in and outbid you. It really turns the hunt into a game of strategy and timing. Now, of course, whenever you're trying out a new platform, you're bound to have questions. The good news here is that they've made sure support is always available. And if you're like me and you like to figure things out on your own first, the platform has a built-in help menu. It's packed with all the info you need on the rules and how everything works, so getting clarity is just a click away. But what if you need to talk to an actual human? No problem. The support team is easy to reach directly through line and by phone. And having both of those options, the do-it-yourself help and real people to talk to, that's what really builds trust. So when you take a step back and think about it, what does all this really mean? Platforms like Amulet BID are way more than just digital stores. They represent this fascinating place where commerce, community, and belief all intersect. And that kind of leaves you with this bigger, more interesting question to think about. What really happens when ancient faith and modern technology converge? And what new paths does that create for tradition in the 21st century?